I really love the Imba programming language because it provides an alternate syntax to JavaScript that's really lovely, kind of has some inspiration from Ruby and CoffeeScript. And in addition to that, it gives you HTML templating and very powerful CSS, and it gives you all the features of a framework like React. So for me, it's replaced JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and React. You can check out the imba.io website for an overview of some of the important features. But I wanted to make this video today to show you how to get up and running, get to a hello world in Imba, to show you just how easy it is for anybody who's interested in giving it a try. Now before starting, you need to have Node and NPM installed. If you've done any web development, you should be familiar with those tools. If not, go to nodejs.org and install Node, and NPM, the Node package manager, comes along with that. Now, Imba has a command that lets you set up an Imba project really easily, but you don't even need to install Imba before you do this. NPM has a command called npx that lets you execute a Node module without first installing it. So you can run npx imba create, and that will guide you through setting up a new Imba project, and it will create a project folder on your computer. Then you just follow the prompts here, cd into that project, npm run to start the server. And you see here it says that the server is running on localhost 3000. So copy that into a browser, and if everything worked, you've got an Imba project running. Now it says to go edit the app/client.imba file. So I'll open this project in VS Code, and I'll go to that file, but you can see there's no syntax highlighting. That's because I need to install the Imba VSCode plugin. That's going to give you the syntax highlighting, but also a lot of autocompletes and smart features like go to definition and things like that. Now we can go back to that client.imba file, and we see the syntax highlighting is working. Now let's try editing this file just to make sure that everything works. I'm going to delete some of this stuff and put in a div, and then in quotes write hello world after that. In Imba, there's no closing tags. It's all indentation based. And if you just want a string to be displayed, you got to put it in quotes. All right, so when I save this, the browser automatically reloads, and I can see the result here. So if you've gotten this far, you're ready to start playing around with Imba. Your next step is going to be to go to the Imba website, click Learn, and read through some of the documentation. I found some of the sections around form input binding to be really inspiring. Some of the examples here are quite cool. And what really got me excited was the touch event section, which has these examples of setting up draggable interactions in just a few lines of code that totally blew me away. So click around, look at the examples, try them out. So also check out the code examples that are on the Imba homepage. For example, this Paint app, which again, I find really impressive that it's written in so few lines of code, it's very easy to understand. And you can see all the code in these 3 tabs here, and there's no extra code hidden away anywhere. Similarly, this clock with the animated hands, and you can see all the code right here. Super easy to comprehend that. You could try it out yourself. So I'm planning to make a few more videos about Imba, maybe going through some simple projects, but I need ideas. So let me know if there's something about Imba that you would like to see or a type of project you'd like to see me put together.